Greetings, friends. Watch refrigeration news for Tuesday, October 25, 2022 on our channel. ATMO Europe Conference on Natural Refrigerants releases final program. Arneg Argentina opened its second, new factory in Alvear. AHRI releases August 2022 U.S. heating and cooling equipment shipment data. So, first news today. ATMO Europe Conference on Natural Refrigerants releases final program. Atmosphere, a market accelerator of clean cooling and heating technologies using natural refrigerants, has announced the final program for the Atmosphere, ATMO, Europe Summit 2022, taking place in person in Brussels, Belgium, November 15 to 16. This year's summit, the 12th edition of ATMO Europe, will be held at the Bedford Hotel and AMP Congress Center in the Brussels City Centre. Read more the news on our website today. Second news today. Arneg Argentina opened its second and new factory in Alvear. After several years of work, effort, and large investments, subsidiary Arneg Argentina has inaugurated its second and new production plant in the city of Alvear in the province of Santa Fe. The inauguration event was attended by the general manager of Arneg Argentina, Carlos Pachalo, all employees of the subsidiary, customers and suppliers. Read more the news on our website today. Third news today. AHRI releases August 2022 U.S. heating and cooling equipment shipment data. Central air conditioners and air source heat pumps. U.S. shipments of central air conditioners and air source heat pumps totaled 960,374 units in August 2022, up 3.3% from 929,560 units shipped in August 2021. U.S. shipments of air conditioners decreased 5.0% to 559,137 units, down from 588,595 units shipped in August 2021. Read more the news on our website today. That's all. Share the news with your friends. Join Refrigeration group on Facebook and LinkedIn. Please find the links below.